freedom isn't about making more money. It's about needing less. When I was working a 9-to-5 job, I thought every good month meant I had earned the right to spend more. A cup of coffee from the cafe every morning. Food delivery because I was too tired to cook. Little purchases that made difficult workdays feel a little easier. None of them seemed expensive on their own. But together, they quietly became a lifestyle that needed more and more money to maintain. When I decided to build my own life and work for myself, I started removing the things that didn't add value to my life. I stopped eating out as often. Instead, I started cooking at home. Nothing complicated, just simple meals I could prepare ahead of time. Food that was nourishing, affordable, and waiting for me whenever I was too tired to think. One decision I make on Sunday gave me peace for the entire week. Sometimes I make extra and share it with my friends. Instead of spending $100 at a restaurant, we'd have a picnic at the park. We'd bring homemade food, sit outside, laugh for hours. And somehow, those simple moments always felt more meaningful than any expensive dinner. As freelancers, some months are busy, some months are slow. Learning to spend less during the good months means you worry less during the slow ones. And surprisingly, living with less felt like gaining space. Less clutter in my life. Less clutter in my mind. I stopped chasing upgrades and started appreciating what I already had. Because the goal was never to look successful. The goal was to build a life that gave me choices. A life where I could say yes to a month-long trip, take a day off without guilt, or simply enjoy a slow day without feeling like I was falling behind. I've learned that freedom is found in needing less. Every meal I cook, every unnecessary purchase I skip, every moment I spend with people I care about. They are small steps toward the life I actually want. I hope you have the courage to live your life and create space for what actually matters.